think we got a shot because it's very different to the other 10. So who knows? Again, it's a win anyway. So fingers crossed.
There's always possibility. This is a style that not many people do. So with that, it's different. So we might be in with a chance, but being top 10 is good enough for me, really. There's a lot of bikes here, a lot of builders, a lot bigger than us. So to be in this position is quite an achievement anyway.
So it was a hard decision. There's a lot of beautiful bikes here, and we love to ride bikes. We also are craftsmanship. It's about the knucklehead here, and it's
So the MBE is, I guess, the largest show in Europe. It is massive. You can walk around for a full day and still not see everything. All the brands are here. Really cool builders are here. It is truly inspiring. I think they get like 180,000 people in 2 days or 3 days. So you get pulled in 1,000 directions, which is great fun but exhausting at the same time.
Oh wow! I was thinking something like that. We should have a little electric bikes to get to the gate and stuff at the workshop. It's pretty cool. Is that a hand clutch?
no, it's a hand shift, a clutch hand shift. Not a lovely fabrication.
Yeah. If we look at the exhaust, they've like taped up the welds and then got it cerakoted and then taken the tape off so it leaves the welds exposed. Never seen that before.
You like it?
No, not really. This is the one that's got all the carbon for. I do think they're not practical as well, aren't they, with the boxes and stuff, like, and it's not as big as one of those baggers. You can have fun on this. Not for me. I don't like anything about it.
No, don't like the light, don't like the exhaust.
I understand what they're trying to do, but I think that it's they're too late to the party.
I saw your bike at the Big Twin show as well in the Netherlands. Very nice.
Ogni azienda sceglie una small soul base.
Ragazzi, dobbiamo essere bravi.
I don't speak Italian. Thank you very much. Thank you.
This is for you, very, very good. Are you happy?
Thank you. I am extremely happy.
Extremely happy. Qui abbiamo
foto.
So we tried to build a bike that's actually a rider's bike, so it's set up to ride. Built the frame, stainless steel castings, stainless steel invaders made in-house, and we designed a inboard brake system.
Very, very nice. Super clean. It's lean. You know, you'd almost question if it works because you don't see wiring. So it's done very tasteful. The braking system's obviously unique. All the mixed metals, it really works good.
Thank you, sir.
It's low, but it's still, you know, feels rideable. And again, yeah, the finish on the bike is really good. I like the paint. It's not overdone. It's clean. It's classy. It just looks like a bike I would want to go have some fun on and go real. So,
Thank you.
well done.
That means a lot. Thanks.
direi un applauso anche per questa Royal
Thank you,
Blood,
sir.
così è stata chiamata.
Thank you, guys.
I think we got a shot because it's very different to the other 10. So who knows? Again, it's a win anyway. So fingers crossed.
There's always a possibility. This is a style that not many people do, so with that it's different. So we might be in with a chance, but being top 10 is good enough for me, really. There's a lot of bikes here, a lot of builders, a lot bigger than us, so to be in this position is quite an achievement anyway.
So it was a hard decision. There's a lot of beautiful bikes here, and we love to ride bikes. We also are craftsmanship. We all hand make things, and that's really important. And so for us, it's about the knucklehead here, and it's El Lobo is the bike.
Lobo Cycles.
Bravo. Oh!
No,
Not too bad.
they don't sell crowds though.
Diciamo che Trenitalia consegna.
All right, guys, this is the last day of the show here at the MBE in Verona, Italy. It's been a very eventful, let's say, 9 to 10 days, starting off Monday a week ago, where we just had frames on the table. We didn't have the bikes built. We had 2 bikes to build, get them in a van, drive them all the way over to Verona. But we got it done as a team, showed up here, had a great event. We didn't enter the bikes into any kind of competition, but apparently they got love and recognition because we ended up taking home the main prize. A bit humbled about that, but it was nice that the jury appreciated the fact that bikes need to have form and function and not just form or function. They saw that in Royal Blood and awarded us the prize, so that's great. And we met up with the guys from a show in Punta in France, and we've been invited to the internal show in Rome as invited builders. So it's nice to have another few dots on the horizon to bring the bikes to. It'll be a lot of fun. There is also a show in Qatar that we've been hearing a lot of good stuff about and spoken to a few people that want us there. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you there. Two of our guys are going to fly back today. The other guys are driving the bikes back, and then we're back to the grind on Monday. At least I will be, Rich will be, and then George and Panda are going to arrive on Tuesday. And then we're going to jump on customer bikes and do what we do, which is build bikes.